Can you look at your cards? There's stickers on there? What's in these other cards?
Yeah.
What is that?
B.
Yeah, is it a little bee? It is. Are you going to look at that sticker? Look inside. Open this up. Oh, look at that. You know who made that for you? Claire. Claire made that for you. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Good.
That is pretty cool. Let's see what this next one is. I think that this one is from Anna. Oh, nope, this one's from Ethan.
Oh, no.
Yeah, look at all those stickers.
Oh, no.
That's from Ethan. You say Ethan? You say Ethan?
Good.
Yeah. Okay, now let's quick look at this one before we run out. This one is from Anna. I think she drew you a picture. Look at that! Yeah.
Good.
Uh-huh. Who's that?
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Who's that? Pretty cool, huh? Say thank you. Thank you.
Good.
Yeah, lots of stickers.